when the voting for CL of the Year is about to commence on the 1st of June. It's your chance for you to vote for your favourite certified location. We will certainly, like all other owners, be very grateful for any votes which you put in, and we feel quite rewarded when people do vote for us, for the hard work which we've put in so that you can enjoy your stay on our site. That's for sure, isn't it?
Oh yeah, absolutely. But there's lots of other sites as well.
Absolutely.
So make sure you vote for your favourite site. Even if it's not us, it doesn't have to be us. As long as it's your favourite site, and the owners will be really grateful, I think.
Yeah, absolutely.
I think I might vote for Bridgend Garage for Northern England.
Yes, yeah, which is one of the CLs which we visited last week, and it was an absolutely fantastic CL which we stayed on for 3 nights. And there'll be a small video coming out in relation to that one. Really lovely, pleasant location.
It was lovely.
So yes, we can just ask that if you can just literally vote. It's fairly easy to do, whether it's all online or on an app on your phone, on the QR code, which I shall try and put onto the video.
Or that when the next magazine comes out, there's postal votes as well.
Oh right, okay.
But obviously that costs, because you have to pay for your stamp.
Yeah.
I've no idea how much a stamp is now. Probably quite a lot.
Yeah, it is, yeah. The easiest method is a QR code with your camera on your phone, and it'll recognise it, and then it'll see you the way through. And there's numerous votes on there, isn't there? Different locations, areas.
Yeah, I think last year they did Northern Ireland and Scotland, Wales, Northern England and Southern England, I think, as different categories. So you could vote for one in Scotland and one in England if you wanted to. And I suppose one in every area, I suppose, I don't know.
Yeah, I'm not too sure.
I guess so.
Yeah. Yes, so 1st of June to the end of July.
Yeah.
To the end of July, isn't it? So a couple of months of voting there, and then the results come out, they come out at the NEC, don't they?
Yes. And they have confirmed it will be at the NEC again this year.
So thanks very much for anyone who puts votes in for NECL throughout the country.
Yes.
Thank you.
A little update on our charity. We've done, I think it's 450 pounds so far. 400 of it's gone to Cancer Research UK, and £50 went to shelter in memory of one of our very good friends' son who passed away. So the next 50 will be back to Cancer Research. And these, Sharon and Andy, are going down very popular at the moment. Your little bookmarks, only got a few left, and they're really lovely, just for £1 each. And the bigger ones are £1.50, so they're very popular with our guests.
So we got given to us from Mac and J, Game Changer. Look at this. Packing away the cutlery so it doesn't rattle when you're travelling. It works.
Mac.
It really does work. Thank you. So, security. Got myself some window locks to put onto the van, because our van doesn't have the push button locks on it. So got these off the internet, and they lock the old handles down on the windows. Let's see how they fit. Okay, because caravan windows are fairly easy to get into, so these have been devised, plenty of them on the internet, all different makes and models. So they literally slide on the end of the actual latch and prevent it from being opened upwards. It has a little locking tab here, and it's simple as this. So slide it on the actual handle, put the tab over the end, and that is it. So it just physically can't be pushed up from sliding an implement from between the window and the frame. So it can't physically be pushed up. It's not 100% secure, but it's certainly better than it was, and keeps them nice and secure and tight in place. So obviously we've got bright orange ones here. They come in various colours. I quite like those. You can get black ones as well. So yeah, another security item added to the van. Looking to do a little bit of maintenance in respect of just doing a bit of masticing around here where it had cracked. Just as well I did, really, because I just literally pulled this corner away just to run a knife edge along here, and this is what happened. The whole thing came away, and could quite easily have lost that at any time out on the road. So that wasn't stuck on there. The old mastic had failed on it, and you can see quite clearly here where water and mud and everything has all got into it, where it wasn't quite 100% sealed from new. So there's my project for the day. So we're just going to literally clean up all this mastic around here. Looks like somebody's gone over it at some stage. Clean all that off, give it a good clean all down the whole thing. Clean up this panel here as well, and then put some alcohol based spirit on it to make sure it's pristine and clean, and re-glue it on. Let's have a look and see how we get on with this then. So that's that all stuck back on again, all masticated up, and yeah, nice and solid again. No more cracks in it, so looking smart again. Is that the biggest Belgian bun you've ever eaten?
Possibly, but the one at Ashridge Farm might have been just as big.
It's as big as your face.
If you want a big Belgian bun, to go to Capel Bakery, a few miles away. It's really nice. A couple of weeks ago, one of our guests saw our resident red kite flying around over the top of the site, and he was amazed when he saw it drop something behind our bin area. He went and picked it up, and it was this. And the red kite had obviously thought easy lunch and picked it up from our own garden, because it's one of the dog's toys, and then thought, oh, can't eat that, so he dropped it. So yeah, he thought he'd got an early lunch.
So back at Bordsey again.
Yep.
It looks like there's every chance we might be able to catch the ferry. It's just waiting for us. Well, hello. How are you doing?
Do you want a cup of tea?
So we just made it across the Deben ferry.
It's very quaint.
It is.
Is that up again?
Yeah. Over to Felixstowe.
Old Felixstowe.
Old Felixstowe side. Couple of cafes to try. One on the actual waterfront overlooking where the ferry keeps landing.
Winkles.
Yep. And it's also got the sailing club here as well, the ferry sailing club, which all are welcome in there. And that's if you wanted to have a drink as well.
And the Sunday roast. It's lovely here.
It is.
Really unspoilt.